You know that you have malware or have been infected, or maybe you don't even know. You know you've been compromised, but you're not even sure to what extent. But when you go to those recovery type situations, to make sure that prior to doing a recovery or a restoration, that you have a good, clean backup, and that your backup technology is validating that on a continuous basis, having the tools in there to be able to repair compromised data and do the rapid recovery that's kind of going to be required based on new governance principles. And that really kind of comes down to be able to provide clean room-based services. A lot of cyber insurance policies do not allow you to recover back into the existing environment that has been compromised. A lot of times those environments are going to be locked down for different forensic investigations, and you still have to carry on, time being money, the business processes that are running on these systems, on these applications. So what's important is to make sure that not only having kind of a trusted partner, like with Commvault, with OSS, but really putting in process those run books, the processes on how to recover.